Yo, good morning. It's the day after Christmas. At my home store here, first pickup, and I'm assuming my deliveries are inside. I don't know who stacked this out here, but this looks like it's going to be quite the long load up this morning. This thing's like tilting over. Doesn't even look safe. And then on the inside, they got 1, 2, 3, 4 bunks of drywall against the door. I don't know what they were thinking. I don't know, trying to prevent theft because they're only closed on Thanksgiving and Christmas. But they get 30 minutes to load my truck plus a minute per pallet. So right now they got 39 minutes to get all of this out of the way and get my truck loaded, or else I gotta move on for the day. This is just a little ridiculous, but not the way I wanted to start the day after Christmas and a start to a week. But sometimes it's what you got to deal with, and I gotta just hope to God I got a good forklift driver, because this piping and all this stuff up top doesn't look exactly easy to pick off of each other. So this could be a very interesting load up, to say the least. And I might have to skip this store today and move on, but I guess we'll find out here shortly. But not the day you want to start off of, right after a holiday, to show up to something like this. This is definitely not normal. So anyways, I hope everybody else's morning is going better than this, and I will talk to you guys later.